LED is a semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current flows through it. This Pulsevo LED kit has 750 diffused lenses LED pieces, and each of the size is 3mm and 5mm. This Pulsevo LED kit includes 5 different colors: blue, yellow, red, green, and white. With this Pulsevo LED kit, additionally, you will get to buy 8cm prototyping printed circuit boards and 100 pieces of 220 ohm resistors. This Pulsevo kit comes with a durable plastic storage box to help you always keep the product organized and transport the product anywhere. The Pulsevo LED kit can be used widely in electronic products, household appliances, and industrial appliances. Pulsevo Diffused Lens LED Assortment Kit is the best choice to make DIY projects.